Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and power. Plug a 20W USB-C adapter into the MagSafe charger, then attach a MagSafe compatible case or magnetic adapter ring to your iPhone 11. Once done, wipe the phone back so the magnets sit flat and nothing blocks contact. Make sure any credit cards or metal stands are removed because they interfere with alignment and can cause heating. Now you're ready to place the phone on the charger and begin alignment. Next, center the iPhone 11 on the MagSafe puck and let the magnets guide placement. You should feel a gentle pull when aligned. Once seated, look at the lock screen or the battery icon to confirm charging. Because iPhone 11 uses Qi protocols, you'll get wireless charge but not Apple MagSafe full wattage, so expect standard Qi speeds. If you need faster charging, use a lightning cable. Make sure the phone isn't in a very hot environment while charging. To finish, let the phone charge undisturbed until the battery reaches your target level. Monitor temperature and remove the case if it gets hot. If charging fails, first confirm the 20W adapter and USB-C cable are working and the MagSafe puck's LED, if present, behaves normally. Reinsert connectors and try a different outlet. As a key troubleshooting tip, reboot your iPhone and reseat the MagSafe case and charger. This often restores charging when alignment or software reporting is stuck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.